is PowAir, a range of natural odour neutralising products made from plant-based active ingredients that work to eliminate odours directly from their source. With so many products to choose from, we're often asked which odour eliminator is best fit for which specific odour. So here are 5 ways that you can use 5 different PowAir products to eliminate bad odours effectively, safely and permanently. First, let us introduce you to Urine and Odour. PowAir Urine and Odour is loved by thousands of pet owners up and down the country. This best-selling product works perfectly to eliminate pet smells and stains such as urine and faeces from a variety of surfaces and upholstery. It uses an enzymatic formula to permanently eliminate odour molecules directly from their source. This works by combining industrial-strength beneficial bacteria with essential oils that bond with odour molecules and render them null and inert. When it comes to pet odours, our customers just can't get enough of our urine and odour spray and refills. Up next, we have PowAir Blocks. This solid odour neutraliser is ideal for use within public facilities like toilets and changing rooms. We highly recommend using PowAir Blocks in smaller environments due to their low evaporation rate. Depending on the strength of the odour that you're trying to neutralise, open and close the block when required in order to preserve the product. Don't forget to also remove the paper from beneath the screw top lid to reveal the ventilated lid too. Be sure to save the paper to conceal the ventilated lid when the odour neutralisation is complete. With many fantastic fragrances to choose from, PowAir Blocks have got your back when it comes to odours in small public spaces. For larger environments, it's time for PowAir Gel. PowAir Gels are perfect for use in office spaces and warehousing units due to how versatile the gel crystals can be. The easiest way to use this natural odour neutraliser is to remove the seal, expose the ventilated lid and sit the gel on a cabinet or worktop space, leaving it to work its magic. However, the gel crystals can be decanted into smaller containers and hidden around your chosen environment to not only increase the rate of odour elimination around the room, but also provide you with a more discreet solution. Alternatively, to spread the fresh smell of natural essential oils further, why not pair your PowAir Gel with one of our Breeze or Cyclone fans? For instant and portable odour neutralisation, we recommend PowAir Sprays. This product is super quick and super easy to use, but also super efficient, making it ideal for healthcare and hospitality environments, as well as for use at home, of course. Simply spray into the atmosphere of your chosen environment and let the PowAir odour molecules work their magic. Again, this product comes in a handful of fantastic fragrances and is completely safe to use around both people and pets. Last but not least, our electronic mist dispensers cover all. At PowAir, we have 3 brilliant electronic mist dispensers to choose from. This includes our original misting dome, our Harmony Mist Diffuser, and the Auto Mist Vehicle Odour Diffuser. For indoors, our customers absolutely love our misting dome and Harmony Mist Diffuser. Whether you choose to use it in your living room, bedroom, or even in your hallway, our diffusers work to fill your chosen atmosphere with natural essential oils that will permanently eliminate those pesky odours. And it doesn't stop there. Why not eliminate odours inside your vehicle too? Whether that be a motorhome, car or van, with PowAir's Auto Mist Odour Diffuser, you'll never have to worry about foul odours from smoke, food or wet pups again. If you're unsure on which product is best fit for you, our friendly sales team are ready to help. You can always rely on PowAir to have the best solutions for your odour issue.